Hi Songbird, Kerri from the songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And we are up to day 17 of your 21 days to your new voice vocal journey. So today I'm going to give you an exercise that is going to be able to comprehensively warm up all of the ranges of your voice, so going from low to mid to high, back to mid, back to low, in every single cycle. So it's a very comprehensive one. I'll show you the scale first and then we'll talk about how to apply it, okay? So, it's called the long scale because it's pretty long. It takes you over about 1.5 octaves or even a bit more of your voice every single cycle, okay? So, it goes like this. If you've never heard of that, you probably want to hear it again. Okay, I'm going to play it a bit slower now. Here it is again, slowly. Okay, now if we were to apply that to an exercise, we could do any of the ones that we have previously already covered during this 21 days to your new voice journey. So for example, let's try it on a blah blah. Blah 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 blah. So as I'm going through that, I'm practicing the blah. So I'm practicing my laziness, I'm practicing, letting go of the jaw, letting go of the tongue and getting rid of that tension. But I'm practicing it, very comprehensively across a big part of my range. So I'm going from low to mid to high, back to mid, back to low in every single cycle. Now why don't we try it on gug gugs, which is another exercise that we covered earlier in our journey. Alright, so again, it's covering a very long and comprehensive range and allowing you to really take that exercise to another level. Okay, we could even do it without bubbles. We could even do it on the oohs. Whoops, wrong note there. Anyway, you see what I'm saying? This exercise, the long scale, is such a good one, and you can apply all the different types of exercises that we've already covered in the last 21 days, as well as any other exercises that I've covered before as well, and any other exercises you've learned along your vocal journey. And it just allows you to take whatever exercise you've done and sort of apply it in a very comprehensive manner. So what I'm going to do in this video for you is I'm going to actually play through just the piano accompaniment of the long scale, so that you have a video that you can go back to every day if you want to, or however often you want to, and just apply whatever exercise that you want to do for that day on the exercise. Okay? So I'm going to play it at medium speed, and you go ahead and choose the exercise that you want to apply it. Girls here, guys here. Let's go. ahead and play around with that. It's such a comprehensive one. Now, speaking of comprehensiveness, if you really want to warm up your voice in a super duper effective and comprehensive manner, then you need my ultimate vocal warm-up guide, and it's absolutely free. You just need to click on the link below and it'll be sent to your inbox right now. So if you're excited about that, go and get your hands on it. Otherwise, I shall see you tomorrow for day 18 of your 21 days to your new voice. I'll see you then. Bye.